Tired of staring at a blank screen when you need your ClickUp dashboards the most? Don't let those loading screens derail your productivity. In this quick guide, we'll walk you through the steps to fix ClickUp dashboards that aren't loading, so you can get back to managing your projects seamlessly. Let's dive in. First things first, the simplest solution is often the best. Let's try refreshing the page. Press Ctrl plus R on your keyboard, or CMD plus R if you're on a Mac sometimes. A temporary glitch is all it takes for a dashboard to get stuck. A quick refresh can often unstick it. If a simple refresh didn't do the trick, it's time to clear your browser's cache and cookies. These can sometimes store outdated information that interferes with loading new content. Open an incognito or private browsing window, access ClickUp, and see if your dashboard loads there. If it does, you'll know clearing your regular browser data is the next step. To clear your cache and cookies, go into your browser settings, look for privacy or history. Then find the option to clear browsing data. Make sure to select cached images and files, and cookies and other site data. Choose a time range, like all time, and then click Clear Data. After that, close your browser completely and reopen it to try ClickUp again. Slow or unstable internet can also be a culprit. Check your Wi-Fi connection or your wired internet. Try loading a few other websites to see if your internet is generally working. If it's sluggish, restarting your router or modem can often resolve connectivity issues. Next, let's check if ClickUp itself is experiencing any issues. Visit ClickUp's status page. A circumflex euros. You can usually find this by searching ClickUp status online. If there are any reported outages or maintenance, you'll see it there. If so, you might just have to wait it out until their team resolves the problem. If none of these steps have worked, try accessing ClickUp from a different browser. This helps determine if the issue is specific to your current browser. You can also try accessing ClickUp on a different device, like your smartphone or tablet, to see if the problem persists across platforms. Finally, if your dashboards are still refusing to load after trying all these steps, it's time to reach out to ClickUp support. They can offer more in-depth assistance and troubleshoot any account-specific problems. You'll usually find a help or support link within the ClickUp application. With these troubleshooting steps, you should be back to viewing your essential ClickUp dashboards in no time. Keep your projects on track and your data accessible.